Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make fish fry in a unique way or mean pollichathu. This is one of the popular dishes in Kerala, and especially if you go to Kottayam, they put it on a plantain leaf and then fry it up. So we are going to show you that today. So let's go for the ingredients. Now let's get started. I'm going to put stripes on the striped fish. Now we are going to blend all these mixtures. Add a little bit water to make it into a fine paste. I have grinded the mixture. I'm going to apply it to marinate the fish. Make sure you're coating the fish on the inside too and on the outside. When you're grinding the mixture, make sure you add salt and then coat the fish with all the masalas. Once you finish marination, we're going to set aside the fish for 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the masala. So I kept a pan for heating. To this I'm going to add in the oil. To the heated oil, I'm going to add in ginger and garlic. Then I'm going to add in the onions. After sauteing for a few minutes, I'm going to add in the spices. Turmeric powder, pepper powder, chilli powder, and fennel seeds powder. Now the raw smell of the spices is gone. To this I'm going to add in the tomatoes, curry leaves, and salt. You can adjust the salt according to your taste. Now we are going to cover and cook on a medium flame. After a few minutes, my tomato is softened and I'm going to turn off the stove. I've taken a big vessel, or in Malayalam it's called as uruli. Once it gets heated, I'm going to add oil. Now my oil is hot. I'm going to fry the fish on a medium flame. After 5 to 8 minutes, I'm going to turn the fish. Now my fried fish is ready. I've taken plantain leaves. To this I'm going to add half of the masala which we cooked. I placed my fish and I'm going to add the masalas on top. Now I'm going to cover the fish. And we're going to tie it up. Now I finished tying the fish. This we are going to fry it. So in a hot pan, I'm going to add oil. To the hot oil, I'm going to add in the fish. After cooking on both the sides for a few minutes, my fish is cooked. You can turn off the stove now. Now your delicious fish fry or meen pollichathu is ready. And your fish pollichathu. Let's try the fish. Got the masalas, we got the fried fish in there. The fish is cooked perfectly. And you see, let's try it. The taste of the spices goes well with the fish, and moreover the fish is not overcooked. It's cooked perfectly. If you liked our video, please share and subscribe to our channel and enjoy our recipe. Thank you. And your meen pollichathu or special fish fry, the end product should look like this.